The fetal heartbeat is now law in Idaho. Just today, Governor Brad Little signed that bill into law. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, I've been covering this bill for a couple months now. It has just become law, meaning that abortions are illegal once a heartbeat is detected. That's usually about 5 to 6 weeks after conception. So that's the new law here in Idaho. There are exceptions for medical emergencies and rape or incest. But aside from that, it's tough to get abortions here in Idaho. If you think that's a good thing and if you value life, hit that little thumbs up.